guys, if you're new here, my name is Danny and my husband and I are stationed in Hawaii, and I'm going to take you along with us for a weekend in our lives. Right now we're going to be going to Waikiki Beach and we're going to go grab something to eat, so let's go. How's it good? These look so good. We got poke nachos for appetizer.
You should either get the coconut shrimp and fries or the Korean steak tacos or the Cajun fish tacos. You pick.
I think the coconut shrimp.
Coconut shrimp and fries?
Oh my gosh. Wow. That's really good. That tastes so fresh. We got the coconut shrimp with fries. Okay. They're really crispy fries. So good. I can't wait to try a shrimp. They look so crispy. Look at that. Oh my god. So hot. That coconut shrimp. Wow. We killed it. It was so good. These are so cute. Cute. These are so good. All these noms down here, the gummies are delicious. These pineapple ones are the best. Yum, that's so cool. And what else do you want to add?
Honey.
Honey, right? A lot of honey. Yeah. I literally like so much honey. So good. Yummy. That looks so good. I found this place on Instagram, so I'm really excited to try it. Let's see. You're gonna love that. This one's so thick. It's so good when it's thick. When it's thin, it's just not as good. When the consistency is thick like that, the acai bowl is so much better. Look at that. Look at that. That is so good. This is the best acai bowl I've ever had. So I did a pottery painting class with my friends a few weeks ago, and I finally got to pick up the piece of pottery, and it looks horrible. It's supposed to be a little dish for your jewelry, so I guess you won't see the bow that much, but it's not as cute as I thought it would be. We just got back. I'm gonna make myself a little coffee and then I'm gonna run to Down to Earth, which is kind of like a Whole Foods. I'm looking for coconut coal. I've been taking it for the past week and I want to continue to take it. If you don't know what it is good for your gut health, immunity. It's supposed to be good for your skin health. We'll see, but yeah, I'm looking for that. I'm not sure if they have it at Down to Earth because I got it from Whole Foods last time, so we are gonna see. And then I think I want to run to Target, but yeah, let's go.
Oh my goodness, they have it, and they have the strawberry flavor, but it's $17 here. That's crazy. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna get that.
We did not get the coconut cult. It was too expensive. I refused to pay $17 for that. I spent $12 at Whole Foods, and in the States, it's only $10. So $17 seems like a lot, especially because it only lasts for 1 week. So I'm just gonna wait and go to Whole Foods, but we are now at Target and we're gonna look around and see what they have. Just got home from Target and I want to do a little haul of what I got. I didn't find many clothes. I just found this little top. It's cute, has seashells on it. I got some sunscreen. We're gonna try this out. Hopefully it doesn't burn my face. I got the Kristen S hair gloss. I've used this before and I really like it, and it's pretty cheap. And then I got a Brita filter. And that's it. I am home now, so I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the night, but yeah.
Got some very frozen breakfast sausages.
It is the next day. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I have an 8-mile run today. I'm so excited, but really nervous. This is my first time running 8 miles. So we'll see how it goes. We just finished 8 miles. That was the best run I've ever had. I am 35 days out from my half marathon and I'm feeling really good about it. To dunk. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That felt amazing. Such a beautiful day. This is our favorite flavor of this drink, the Lily Koi passion fruit. Is so good. We just got back from Foodland and we're probably just gonna relax for the rest of the day. So thank you guys so much for coming along with us this weekend. Bye.